calling all classic truck enthusiasts and 3D artists. Today we're unveiling a digital masterpiece, the Ford L9000 single cab tandem, modeled with breathtaking detail that will take your projects to the next level. With an optimized poly count of 340K, this model delivers stunning visuals without compromising performance. But what truly sets it apart? 6 distinct hood and headlight variations, neatly organized in separate blender folders. Choose the exact era-specific front end you need. We've captured every evolution of this American legend. Engineering excellence meets creative freedom. Front suspension, authentic Ford L9000 series system. Rear suspension, tandem configuration with a rugged Hendrickson RT steel leaf spring system, built for real-world durability. Functional doors linked to empties for smooth animation. Independent wheels and rims, perfectly aligned on X/Y axis for realistic rotation. Steering wheel rig, parented to empty, ready for driving animations. PBR materials bring it to life. Physically accurate textures on tires, leather seats, carpets, and gauges. While we've kept them factory fresh, they're the perfect base for your custom weathering. Why this model is a game changer. Flawless organization. All meshes separated by materials for easy editing. Endless possibilities. Use for ArchViz, advertising, or convert to mods for GTA 5, American Truck Simulator, SnowRunner, or Farming Simulator. Available now on CG Trader, Render Hub, and Blender Market, links in description. Which variant would you use first? Let us know in the comments. If you appreciate premium 3D modeling, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What other classic truck should we model with this level of detail? Let's build this community of passionate creators.